What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, we are going to be running over a few coins that are showing strength in this market. So let's get straight into the analysis of these different coins and why they are showing strength and where they could potentially go as time goes on. Without further ado, let's get straight into today's video. So starting off here with Chiliz. Chiliz has been doing very well. Chiliz is showing us some very clear price action in the big picture. In the big picture, we see that we have a standard ABC correction. And what does that mean? An ABC correction is one of the best buying opportunities. It is a pattern that we regularly look for inside of this market to pull money out of the market. Profit. This ABC correction is very profitable. Now, on the short term, Chiliz has already seen a 56% climb off of its lows. However, price action is very likely going to continue, meaning that a 56% climb is almost nothing compared to what could come inside of the Chiliz market. If you guys haven't seen my latest video about Chiliz, go back and watch that one. I am very bullish on this project in the big picture, meaning that we are expecting a lot of climbing, a lot of upside with the Chiliz market in the big picture. So this is definitely one that I am watching, very excited about, and one that I expect a lot more bullish price action coming. This coin is definitely leading a lot of the other coins and has risen more than some of the other projects since we've seen a lot of these coins bouncing off their lows. So get ready for some big things coming in Chiliz, you guys. I think this one will be very profitable. So hold true to the big picture on this coin and watch for a big picture reversal and continuation of the bull market that started back in 2020. So now if we take a second to look at Uniswap, Uniswap is another project that has been doing very well in the short term. This coin is showing strength. If we take the price range tool from the bottom out, you can see that 146% gains have occurred since the lows on Uniswap. This coin also shows 5 waves up and a clear falling wedge pattern down. Now we broke bullish out of that falling wedge, confirming that more future price action up is likely. So we're worth $8.95 right now. Prices can rally all the way up to $10, $20, and even $30 as prices form their lows on Uniswap. Again, this coin is one of the market leaders, you guys. We're already up 146%. Well, if we go look at some of the other coins and how much they've climbed off of the recent lows, it's nowhere near this much. So Uniswap is definitely showing some early strength across the board when it comes to the crypto markets, and it's likely going to keep showing that strength. Keep your eyes on Uniswap. $30 per Uniswap is a very nice profit if you were to buy at current price, and that's only the beginning. This is clearly a full market cycle on Uniswap, so we could be headed into a new macro cycle. So this coin could not only see a reversal in the short term and head up to $30, but it's very likely that this coin also sees continuation and a reversal in the big picture, which could take it to new all-time highs. And it should be noted that every coin that is on this list is also that way. We are expecting these coins to see big picture growth. continuation, both on the short-term bullish price action and in the big picture. So that includes Chili's as well. I showed you the short term here on Chili's, but we can also see Chili's breaking out in the big picture and headed to new all-time highs. It's worth 13 cents right now. So the profit potential on Chili's and on Uniswap is both very large in the short term and the big picture. So you guys, Matic is another coin that is showing a lot of strength in the cryptocurrency markets right now off of their lows. If we measure the percentage gain off of the low on Matic out, you guys can quickly see 182% gains on Matic, which is a huge, huge gain. A little bit of a different type of correction here on Matic. So let's learn a little bit about that. You guys, 182% gains off of the lows up is definitely showing a lot of strength in this market. This market is showing more short-term strength than a lot of the other coins. If you check on CoinMarketCap and sort by the biggest growth on 7-day periods, Matic is one of the highest on that list. So we watch for that. We look for coins that are leading, that are showing strength, because those are likely the ones that whales and big players are putting their money into. 182% gains, a little bit of a different correction, as I said, than Uniswap or Chili's. You can see that both of these coins fell in a wedge structure. Both of these coins did a falling wedge pattern. Well, with Matic, we actually see the same thing that happened to Bitcoin. This is an expanded flat correction. So the B wave goes a little bit above that previous all-time high on wave 0, and then the C wave goes a little bit below wave A, shaking a lot of weak hands out of the market there, and it proceeds to see a reversal. So we're looking for a big picture reversal on Matic as well, just like on Uniswap and Chili's. It's worth 94 cents right now, just under $1. And its last all-time high is $3, just under $3. So big picture continuation could be over $3 again. This is a huge opportunity with Matic, even with the short-term gains. Buy dips, look for 10% drops on the short time frames and buy the dips. In the big picture, we see massive opportunity with Matic, just like Uniswap and Chili's. So this is definitely one I'm watching. This is one I've been looking at for a long time now. And even before this huge breakout that occurred in 2021, been watching this project, and I expect good things coming for Matic in the future. Ethereum Classic, last but not least on our list of coins that are showing strength, leadership, and potential profit, lots of profit on these coins in the future. This one is the highest percentage gain of all. Since its lows, it's seen 199% gains, basically doubled its value since the lows back here. When it was worth about $13, and now it's worth $39. This one is an ABC correction. This is an A, B, and C wave down. A lot more like Chili's. You can see the ABC down. The only difference being that Chili's, the falling wedge, starts at its absolute peak, and Ethereum Classic actually does a falling wedge closer to the bottom half of the chart. You can see that it formed a wedge, and its absolute all-time high goes way out up above that wedge. So there's a subtle difference in the way that happened here, but both coins did an expansive growth, standard correction, and a falling wedge pattern. So there's a lot of similarities between these two projects as far as the pattern is in the markets. There is going to be differences in what these projects do, but as you guys know, we make money and we make profit trading the patterns on this channel. So 199% gain is a lot of strength. This is pretty much the fastest growing coin in coinmarketcap.com in the short term. This is a huge deal. Ethereum Classic, you guys, could be showing a big picture reversal pattern or the early signs of it. Now, that does not mean that it can't consolidate. That doesn't mean that it can't see a short-term correction and build momentum back up. But it does mean that this low down here at $13 could be the bottom and the beginning of a big picture uptrend inside of Ethereum Classic, which will be very profitable. This one is accumulated by institutions. If you think just because Ethereum Classic is not Ethereum, that it's somehow worthless or couldn't pump, you guys, when all the other coins were pumping last year, it did 36 times in value, 3,600% gains. So this coin has a history of pumping very hard with Ethereum. Whale Ethereum is pumping big institutional money like Grayscale is invested in Ethereum Classic. It's not just a coin to be forgetting about. It's definitely one you want on your watch list, or at the very least on your watch list, if not in your portfolio. So you guys, Ethereum Classic being worth $40 right now could be headed all the way up back to 70, 100, and potentially even over its all-time high as we're watching for a big picture reversal in the crypto markets across the board. So that's a lot of exciting movement in these 4 coins, you guys. A lot of potential profit in these 4 coins. And definitely coins I wanted you guys to be aware about so you can be profiting on the future price action coming in the cryptocurrency markets. You guys know the reason why I made this channel is to help teach you guys how to make money in the crypto markets, how to learn the basic tools, how to do it at home, how to learn TradingView, and really master these markets so you can be financially free, so your family can be financially free with nothing more than access to a few exchanges, access to your computer, and a small initial investment in the markets, and maybe even one of my trading courses or mastermind programs or one-on-one programs. So this is why I made my channel. That's why I love making videos like this, showing coins that I expect a lot of big picture growth in. It's not only these coins, you guys. Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency market as a whole, is expected to have large industrial growth, big picture development, and continuation of the magic that we are seeing with this technology, the development of this technology. So really, you guys, these 4 coins are coins you're going to make a lot of money on, but they are not the only ones. We have Bitcoin. We have a lot of coins that are going to be rising in value. These 4 coins are some of the best projects in the short term, showing the strongest growth in the short term, and could potentially lead the breakout in the rest of the market. I hope that you guys found some value in these 4 projects. Definitely check them out. Watching this video is not enough. You definitely need to invest in these markets if it's something you're interested in earning money doing. This is never financial advice on this channel. This is my trading journal. This is tutorials on what I'm personally doing, how to look at the markets and the TA. But at the end of the day, if you want to make money in this market, you need to have investments in this market, and you need to have some type of learning material to help you accelerate your learning so you don't have to do what I did, which was spend the last 6+ years gathering all of the best information across the internet and accumulating it and developing my strategy in one place. You guys can start learning that today, which brings me to my one-on-one program. I opened it back up, you guys, so apply in the description below for the one-on-one. If you're ready to master these markets, to invest in these markets, to understand the strategies that professionals are using all around the world, including myself, to profit inside of this market, go ahead and apply below. The one-on-one program is specially designed to meet with me once a week. We set up a time together inside of a 1-hour personalized Zoom call over 3 months to help you master everything you need to know about investing, follow my portfolio, and really start profiting and become an expert in cryptocurrency investing. So apply below. The price of the one-on-one program is $7,499. This program is really worth more like $20,000 if I'm being honest with you, because of everything that you will learn and how much money you'll make from the program and how much fun you will have doing it. But I decided to make this program available to the public, so I brought the price down to $7,499. And if you're already a VIP member, I will take a discount off of that as well, bringing it down to $4,999. So if you're ready to master your investing inside of a one-on-one type program, this is definitely for you. You will become an expert in no time inside of the one-on-one program. So thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Please apply below if the one-on-one is something you're ready to change your life. You definitely need some type of learning material and some guidance if you really want to make some money in these markets. So apply below. I look forward to seeing you guys in future videos. I love and appreciate every single one of you guys, every commenter, every like, every subscriber, every Discord member. Get ready for big things coming in the markets. I will see you in future videos, and as always, stay profitable out there.